Yes, this is another Nutella recipe, and yes, I am not apologising because I love Nutella. So ooey gooey and delicious. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a Nutella stuffed red velvet cookie pie. I don't know whether to call this a cookie pie, a Nutella stuffed red velvet cake, or a brownie. I really don't know. So I'm in the dark about what to call this. As you'll know from the title is what I've decided to call it. So whatever you've clicked on, that is what we're making. So to begin with, we're going to take some melted butter. And to that we're going to add brown sugar and regular sugar. And we're going to give that a good mix. Next you're going to want to add in 2 eggs and give that a good mix. Now from there you're going to want to add in a lot of vanilla essence, cocoa powder and red food colouring. This gives the unique red velvet flavour, which is that kind of balance between chocolate and vanilla, and then we want to mix that in. Once you have that lovely, delicious smelling mixture, we're going to add in our flour and our baking powder, and we're going to give that a nice stir too. Next we are going to add some chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, and give them a mix in. And then we're going to take a pie dish. I have a loose bottom pie dish, as I find that is the easiest to get the cookie pie or any sort of pie out of the dish. If you don't have one of these, a springform pan would be just as useful. So we're going to pour in half of that mixture and press it into the base. And we're then going to take some gorgeous ooey gooey Nutella and we're going to put that in next. Then we're just going to take little blobs of the rest of the mixture and put that over top, and we're going to place it in an oven that has been preheated for 10 minutes and let that cook. For the full recipe and instructions you can click the link down below and you'll be able to make that with all the ingredients. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoy the recipe for this gorgeous Nutella stuffed red velvet cookie pie. I think that's what I'm going to call it. As you can see, it's ooey gooey, super delicious, so chocolatey. Just look at all the goo. I also added a chocolate sauce just for extra chocolate, you know, why not? But yeah, I hope you enjoy this recipe and I will see you next time. Bye.